welcome back to the Valkyrie Biker. Thanks again for joining me on this little run. I've just come back from my carriage chappie because I had a bit of a problem with I thought I had a bit of a problem with misfiring. Now if you remember from my old the last video I did was about changing a spark plug, and that was all to do with trying to figure out what's going on with my bike, why it's potentially for misfiring. The first thing to look for is the spark plug. Well, for me, I thought so anyway. So after that I realised it wasn't a spark plug issue, because the after a while the bike kept on still misfiring. So the next thought was to look at the air filter. Now if you have a look at this photograph, you'll see this is where the air filter is, and behind this panel here you need to get this heater part out of the way first to get behind it. So I got behind it, didn't actually take the whole thing off, but it looks as clean as a whistle in there, so I didn't want to take it apart and then have problems put it back again. But I have high probability that that was not the reason for my misfiring. So looking online, I thought it could be an injection problem, because this particular model of the Keyway is fuel injected, it's not a carburetor. Had it been a carburetor, it would probably been quite a simple thing, but the injector is really far inside the engine part here, and I am certainly not in any shape or form able to fix that. Not on my own anyway. So I took it to my friendly garage chappie. Thank you for that again, and Charlie. And he said to me something quite profound, and I thought, oh, I better share it with you. This new E10 petrol that's come out, well, it's not so new now of course, but it doesn't work well with new cars or new bikes, but potentially it doesn't work well with this 2020 SE of a Keyway Superlight. So he suggested I put the expensive V mixture in and see how it goes. So that's going to be my next troubleshooting for the bike, to see if that's the reason why it misfires. It only misfires on between sort of 2,000 and 3,000 revs if I go slowly, throttling up very, very slowly. But I just don't like misfiring. So I'm just going to take a trip out somewhere different that I've not been to before, and my thoughts on this journey is, let's see if I can get my corners right, get my awareness of the road right still, and just enjoy the ride, because that's the best thing about being on two wheels. You've got the freedom and you've got the ride. I've been looking at bikes, and I've been looking at, you know, what the next bike would be. I'm way ahead of anything at the moment, because of course I still haven't passed my DAS yet. Loads of you have, and I'm so proud of you. You know, so it's so good that to hear that loads of people are passing their mod 1s and then their mod 2s. I just got a lot more time yet to do that, because I just don't have the finances. I think currently it'll cost me about £760 to do my 1 and 2. And that sort of money is hard to come by at the moment. So I'm just going to take this opportunity just to keep on practicing, enjoying the cheapest way to be on a cruiser on this 125, just to do my usual rides and tour, and you know, you can't go on the motorway with an L plate, but it still doesn't stop you from enjoying the ride. I'm certainly finding I'm wanting more power now, that's for sure. So maybe that's the rider aspect of me maturing more. But I'm not interested in putting a knee down and going around like tight corners like my friend Rossi. I'm just in it to enjoy. Okay. Thank you. That's very kind of him. Always remember to thank drivers for doing that. Sadly, bikers have got a bit of a bad rap sometimes because of, you know, being a bit obnoxious on the road. I don't know, speeding past people, scaring them, and then you got these drivers, those car drivers, they don't think that every single biker is the same. And I think as long as you can be courteous and be safe, we should all get on. But certainly I know what you're thinking. There is a hell of a lot of car drivers out there who are equally and probably more dangerous. But if we all can get along and not ruin each other's day, then that's a good thing, don't you think? I don't know. I'm just waffling it. Ooh, change the gear. I'm just waffling again. You certainly find when you ride that you're looking at everything around you as a potential danger, and then when you get back into a car, you're doing that same thing, and it makes you a better driver, I think. Right, let's see. Let's make sure he realises where I'm going. Knocking it down the gears. Clear. Good. Oh, it's so hot out here today. Right, I've got right of way, but just be careful just in case he doesn't think so. Now these are perfect little bends to practice with the speed, slowing down, speeding up, bending in the road. Trying to remember to keep my buffer. A little bit of back brake there. Turn the bike, bend it. Bend. Watch where I'm going. That's it. Now I'm not going to overtake. I don't know if you guys probably will think, oh yes, there's clear road ahead, I can overtake. I'm not going to do that. Don't think for me it's safe, so I'm quite happy to settle back here, enjoy the ride. Braking down, turn, slow, okay, bend. It's a lovely bit of road, that. Nice big space, hold back, van behind me, I'm gonna stop, I'm in first gear, He's turning around, he's going to take a big circle. He's turning around. He's turning. But just keep an eye on what's going around you. He's turning left and right. He's turning that way. He's no idea where he's going. Right, 1, 2. Okay, go, 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 go. I could have done that a little bit better, maybe. Yeah, comments below, what could I have done better? I feel that I should have done something better then. Do you think I should have got out earlier? Should I have waited again? I don't know. I'm expecting these lights to go red, so I'm just checking my mirrors. Getting ready on the brake, just so I need to. No, accelerating. Okay, so I would have been able to open up a little bit more, but there was a bit of a traffic jam ahead, so just want to keep back. This is what is this one called? This is Herne Airport, I think. Yes, this is Herne Airport. And for all your aviation buffs out there, this is the Aviation Museum opposite Herne Airport. It's got some amazing aircraft in there in various states of disrepair. Bring it down. Okay. So even when it's green for me, I'm still going to check my left and rights, just in case there's going to be some kind of emergency vehicle that might want to come through quickly. Look over your shoulder. Look left and right. Go. Cancel. There we go. Yeah, and another thing I want to get for the bike is I want to get a either a rock form or a quad lock or something for my phone, so I can have it on the handlebars and I can see where I'm going rather than always hearing the sat nav and not really having a quick visual guidance of where I'm going when I stop. If you guys have actually used either of those two companies, can you give us a quick comment and just say what you think of them? It'd be really good to try and get one and review it myself as well. But yeah, let me know. Has everyone read the new 2020 version of the highway code yet? If you haven't, have a look at the link down below in the description and you can get your very own copy from there through an Amazon affiliate I have. So if you click on that link, that will really help my channel out. As always, please do try to like and subscribe and share my channel. It really would help. It gives me confidence when you guys click on the links and click on the likes. If there's anything you would like me to talk about, to show you, if I got it in my power ability to do so, I'd be more than happy to do so. So yeah, give us a comment on that, guys. Just remember, I'm still a learner rider myself, so it's all down to you guys as well and how you ride. So my disclaimer is, you know, you ride how you wish to ride. I'm just showing you how I do it. But if I can learn, I will. I saw a really nifty idea for indicators. If I find the link, I'll stick it in the description. what this guy had done, put LED lights either side and connected up to his main indicator stalks. Here, sorry. And they're very, very bright, so even in the sun you can tell which indicator is on. Such a great idea, and it won't take up that much power at all. Some people are just so clever. So what this? Welcome to West Moors. Wow. Yep, certainly not come down here on the bike before. I want to give a big shout out to SaffySprocket. She's very inspirational for me. She learnt how to ride on a 125 and then she passed her license after 2 or 3 times of trying. And she's going all over the world with her travelling. It's just absolutely amazing what a girl can do on a bike. So yeah, thank you for the inspiration there, Saffy. Big shout out to you, honey. Loving your channel. If you guys haven't seen her channel, go and check it out. I'll put a link below. And yeah, say hi from me. Now this is going to be an interesting thing here. So we've got 2 lanes and nothing on the hard shoulder. Lanes queuing. I'm expecting traffic to come up on this left side here, coming down the hill. So I'm going to keep myself in the middle. And I'm going to find a gap. Now I had my foot brake covered then. I'm not going to filter. I could do, but to be honest, it's going to be a little dangerous, and I think I need to take this next exit anyway. Where are you going, truck? There you go. Always aware that people could come in any time to my side, so I'm going to try and keep myself in the middle as much as possible. Give them a bit of a shake, say I'm here. Check, check, check. No. Over shoulder. Okay. Try and remember to look where I'm going and not at any problems. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Take care, drive well, stay safe, and see you on the next ride.